So after almost 2 years, I'm finally able to get my hands on an Xbox Series X. And this one right here is the Forza Horizon 5 bundle, which comes with the Forza Horizon 5 game and a Hot Wheels expansion. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. We'll just pull off the sleeve. So there's your tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here's the front side, the right side, the back side, and the left side. We'll put it to the side. You get your HDMI cable, your power cable, your Xbox product and regulatory guide, and the Xbox controller. Lastly, it came with 2 batteries. Alright, so there it is, the Xbox Series X. This is the front side, so you have the power button, you have your disc tray here, your eject button, you have a USB port in the front, you have the classic green on the inside. Very hard to see, but you can kind of see it there. On the back side, you have a little opening here, some openings here for venting. You have 2 USB ports. You have your Ethernet port, your power and HDMI out, and then a storage expansion. Now, depending on how you want to set this up, you can actually set it down vertically or horizontally. You'll see there's 4 rubber feet, so you can set it either way. But personally, I think I'm going to have it vertically standing by my desk. All right, we've got the controller all set up here. Let's just power this on and see what happens. I've got it all connected. Got the light, nice white light turning on. And there it is, the Xbox logo. Now, you'll have the Forza download throughout the setup process. We're not going to get into that today. This was the unboxing of the Xbox Series X. As always, if you're looking to pick this one up, there's a link in the description with more specifications and price. So if you're interested, check that out. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.